Did you know that lack of energy and concentration is not just a routine problem, but can be related to the functioning of your cells? Imagine if there was a solution capable of revitalizing your body and mind, bringing a feeling of well-being like never before. Today, I will introduce you to Mitolyn, a revolutionary supplement that is helping thousands of people transform their lives. And if you are watching this video, it is not by chance. Stay with me until the end, because this could be the step you need to completely change your quality of life. We live in a fast-paced world where stress, lack of time, and modern habits end up draining our energy. How many times have you found yourself saying, "I'm so tired," or "I just can't concentrate"? The truth is that chronic fatigue is not just a symptom of a busy day. It's a sign that your body is crying out for help. Often the problem lies within your cells, more specifically in your mitochondria, which are responsible for producing the energy you use for everything in life. And without good mitochondrial function, you can experience physical and mental fatigue, and even memory difficulties. Does this sound familiar to you? This is where Mitolyn comes in. This supplement is unlike anything you've ever seen. It's designed with an advanced formula to support your mitochondria, promoting more energy and health from the inside out. What makes Mitolyn so special? Increases natural energy production, helps your cells work more efficiently, improves mental clarity, ideal for those who need total focus on important tasks, reduces the effects of stress, provides a sense of calm and balance, strengthens overall health, supports the immune system, and fights free radicals. And the most incredible thing? All this with quality ingredients, scientifically proven, so you get real and safe results. Now is the time to act. Click the link in the description and find out more about how Mitolyn can change your life. Mitolyn is developed based on cutting-edge science. Its formula includes powerful ingredients such as antioxidants and essential nutrients that help your mitochondria function better. What's more, it is produced with the highest quality standards, ensuring that you receive a safe and effective product. Remember, taking care of your mitochondria is like taking care of your car's engine. When they work well, the rest of your body works better too. Now the choice is in your hands. You can continue to feel tired and lack energy, or you can make a decision today to transform your life. Click on the link in the description now to learn more about Mitolyn and guarantee yours with a special discount. Don't waste time, because your health deserves the best. Try Mitolyn and start your transformation today.